All right, good morning and good evening, and welcome back to the live analysis session. This is your host, Harsh, again, and let's get started off with uh, gold, actually, to start with today. Then we'll touch base with Euro USD and the dollar index if required, any other instrument that you may want to. Before we start today, just a small announcement. We will, tomorrow, markets are off, global as well as local. So we will, if possible, I'll do a session, but the price action would be stagnant. So let's not expect for tomorrow. Uh, we'll be back again officially on Monday, which is again it's going to be lackluster in terms of volumes, but still the markets will remain open. So we will have something to work upon. All right, that was the first one. The second one, those who are joining new, those who are coming in new, welcome again. And please feel free to explore this channel. So you might have to go through the playlists because if you're interested in the educational sessions and uh, I think it was done in Hindi and English earlier. Uh, since the beginning of this channel in 2018, we had a huge gap in between, but we have restarted those sessions. So you'll find educational videos, a lot of them in the playlist, and also if you're interested in live sessions or live analysis, then 8 p.m. Indian Standard and 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard, 6:30 p.m. Dubai. These are the times we meet Monday through Friday. Please feel free to send in your comments or any other needs that you might have with respect to other markets as well. The idea is to make this channel completely uh, for traders, by the traders, and to the traders. It's going to take some time, but we are going to make it. Of course, what I need is requesting help for those who are watching this and they are liking it. Help spread the word because that is what is we are doing. We don't market ourselves or we don't promote. So this is the only way that the channel is going to be known. All right, and it's also about being more interactive. I mean, I haven't seen many live questions or comments coming up, but if they are coming, it would be very interesting. Uh, at the moment, I don't have the live page open, but please make it please make it that we are more interactive and because I'm just a facilitator here. Let me be very upfront and honest. This is for you guys. I mean, this is your room actually. So make it happen. Okay. All right. So having said that, let's get started off with the gold chart. Let's pump in or jump in with the daily one. The counts have already been done, so I have not removed it. We've done it yesterday. We've redone it yesterday actually. To go back, September 2022 chart, it is clearly flashing a five-wave rally, 1, 2, 3, triangle wave 4 and 5, pushing prices all the way from 1,800 to 5,600. And once again, let me be very clear that this rally is not yet complete, sir. We are just in a corrective mode. After this is the model that we are into. The wave principle 5 up ideally follows by 3 down. We are in this corrective phase, and within that corrective phase, we are in the last wave C, And within the last wave, see again we are in the last wave 5, which we will bring up here in a moment, please. Once this corrective phase is complete, another larger degree 5 wave rally will resume, pushing prices ideally above the 5600 mark, possibly towards the 6000 and above. All right, but these are still early stages to confirm. We are still not done on the south side. Possibly could be around mid-April or so when we might touch the bottom and resume the uptrend. All right, that's the structure and the trend, which is, and now coming to the third point, the boundary which is being worked upon, followed by the Fibonacci ratios. Let's go back on a lower time frame, possibly 4 hour. It's also seen here, but 4 hours will be more clear. So the boundary which is being worked upon is the first corrective wave A, B, C, and wave A is complete, wave B is also complete, and wave C is forming. Most of the traders might be under the impression that it got completed. I also was under the same impression just a week or so earlier, with this channel line being tested and the Fibonacci ratio also being met, one of those ratios. But tell you what, wave C unfolds into two formats or patterns. One is uh, an impulse, and the other one is diagonal. This is no diagonal, this is looking to be as an impulse. Where we have wave 1, 2, 3, possible wave 4. This is what yesterday we were carving out, where we are talking about potential wave 4 being complete or would be rather complete. Alright, and that's what we are seeing right now. Let me take this orange wave off the mark. Okay, so you see a huge drop at the open today. Potential wave 4 might be terminated yesterday with the with the first drop in place, and we are now just in a counter trend small corrective rally. This is again a smaller degree wave 1 lower and an ABC corrective higher, seems to be terminating or should be terminating somewhere around the 4700 mark. Once that is done, ideally we should resume lower, so that could be wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and 5. So another 3 waves lower, bringing back prices lower towards 41, and I think ideally it should go below that mark, below wave 3. So the trade setup in gold, what we were discussing yesterday was this potential trade setup. Again, before discussing the potential trade setup, let me, with all humility, once again repeat that this is not a channel for trading signals or any kind of encouragement to trade or participate in uh, local or global markets. These are just an educational initiative, sharing of passion, and if you are already participating locally or globally, you might want to, because this is no recommendation of any platform or anything. It's just pure education where we all learn with each other and pick up a thing or two, because this never stops. All right, so please don't construe it as a trading advice or anything else. Second, one of the major important things that I want to bring up, since we are discussing it now, normally I receive a lot of calls from our country asking about forex and crypto. Now, let me be very clear. The Reserve Bank of India regulations are not permitting Indian residents to trade the spot forex markets, all right, which are heavily being promoted online as well. But it's prohibited to send money in any kind of margin for any kind of margin overseas unless you are a non-resident individual. It's not allowed. So that's the legal black and white. Okay, be very careful. If you need help, you can approach me. If you have my number, you can WhatsApp, or if I don't pick up the call, you can WhatsApp, or you can write an email. harshjapee@yahoo.com it is. You can send in your comments here or questions here. The idea is please don't get trapped into the two emotions, greed and fear, because most transactions are done off the banks, and you won't even be able to track it later on. All right, so be very careful and get in touch if you need help. Crypto markets are legally allowed to trade, so yes, you can find that way particularly interesting if you are. But once again, there are many. You've got to be very careful in choosing the exchange and all those stuff. So again, be informed before taking any step further, right, which might affect your finances. Okay, this was something which I have been receiving a lot of calls, even lately. So it's better to be informed properly. Okay. So coming back to the potential trade setup, we 4750, 4800 was marked as uh, the area to sell or to initiate short positions with a stop around 5000 mark. That's bottom wave 1. Ideally, it should not go above that if it is wave 4. And potential target is around 3900. So if this is lower degree wave 1, let me try and map this as well, because today's session we will mostly discuss about gold, euro and dollar. Dow Jones are retracing. Again, the volumes could be lackluster. It's going to resume on Monday. Gold is always volatile. It has got good volumes today and a very quick minute degree wave 2 in place, as we can all see. So that would be 1, 2, 3, possible wave 4 and 5. This is the projected path going forward. And I think we have, okay, we can just adjust the targets. All right. So that is where that is how the path should unfold ideally. Let's see how it is going to happen. So we've got potential wave 1 minute, wave 2 minute, uh, 3, 4 and 5 still to go. So hang in there. If you're already on the short side, you might want to remain on the short side, but the risk is absolutely around, should be around 5000, 5010, just to avoid the noise. All right. So let's keep it short for the day. Euro and Dow Jones will be back again, will resume on Monday, and I think we should be good for the day. Once again, thank you for your time joining here. You might want to be subscribed, and also uh, be kind to spread the word if you're liking what you're seeing. Others might also be benefited. The only idea is to build this channel for traders over the period of time. And once again, before the next session, thanks for your time. Good luck to your trades, and please do take care and God bless. Goodbye.